Hello friend, I'm David from SZLEDWORLD. Today I will introduce both front and rear service and installation LED display. You don't need to leave any space at the back side of LED display. You can also change the LED module, power supply and receiving card from front side. Front service and installation introduced. The first step, you have to loosen clips. Loosen all clips. Otherwise, you can't remove LED modules. It is very important. The second step, you have to remove these 4 LED modules. You can connect the cables or remove the cables from the front side. Like this. You can remove signal cable and install signal cable from front side. The third step, we remove AC cable and Ethernet cable. Place and remove. The fourth step, we remove these 4 screws and 2 remove. Then we can remove all control box, both the receiving card and the power supply inside. So it don't need space at the back side. We can remove directly. Assemble control box. We have to put this. This is a front installation connected place. This is a rear installation connected place. Front installation, we have to use this M8 with this front installation connected place. If rear installation, we have to use this M10 port with this one. This video show you how to do front installation. Firstly, we have to remove this 4 LED modules and then show you how to front installation. Then release power. Make no power at this side. Then we use this front installation connect place is mounts here, and this is M8 ports. We put there is a tube here. We put like this. Then the ports from here. We use this tool. Screw. We can check the back side of the box. Back side like this. Assemble. We can assemble AC cable from front side. Asynchronous cable also front side. And then assemble LED modules. We can check this is up and down. Real service. The first step, we have to assemble clips, make a better waterproof. You can remove AC cable and Asynchronous cable easily from back side and assemble them. Assemble AC cable. This need to release, and then like this, we can remove LED module from back side. Real installation introduced. This is the tube, connect place, and cabinets. We have to install like this. This is M10. That's all information of front and rear installation and service. See you next time. Bye bye.